Hello everyone, this is Easy English with Ash. Our 90-second lesson for tonight is going to be about pronunciation. We're going to talk about two different vowel sounds, and I. Look at these examples. Desk, desk, disc, desk, disc. Ten, tin, t, pen, pin, p. Fell as in falling down and breaking your leg. Be careful. Fill. Left as in she left already, or your left arm. Lift as in elevator, or lift up your hand. Hell, fire. Hill, mountain, hill. Look at those examples. Where is your desk? Which one did I use? Correct, desk. She bought a gold pin. Which one? Of course this, not pen, pin. My cup with water. I fill, not fell, fill my cup with water. And the last one, he earlier today. He left. Correct, left. Thank you.